One thing I was concerned about, whilst we're messing about, is this shaft here. It doesn't seem to be too clever. So what we're going to do is try the pulley on, see what it fits like. Round here there's a lot of what we call hammer rash. It just looks like it's been beaten to death. And there's two keyways in there and they don't look too clever. So we've got a new pulley here. Yeah, I think so. That's tight and it looks a bit odd there. What about the main pulley? It's got a load of crap on the inside. We'll have to clean that up. Right, back in a minute. There's something I don't like about this woodruff key here. It should turn. I said to you that this was chewed up a bit. I don't know why. Now, how will it fit in? Looks like some advanced filing. Yeah, there's some eye spots on here. It's kind of nasty. I'll just give it a quick file. See if we can get to the bottom of why it's sticking. To there and it sticks. Oh, you see that one goes on. Ah, so it's probably in here. That's how it should go. That's good, that's better. I like that. Wouldn't we want before? So obviously there's something in here. So I'm just going to sandblast this inside and see if I can make it any better, see if there's any rust, but I really don't know what's wrong with it. Well, after a half an hour of advanced sanding and filing, I've got that to fit nice. I put the woodruff key the opposite way around so there's a nice lead on here because, well, not a nice lead, but a nice piece of metal to grab onto, because you can perhaps see here, perhaps you can't, that there isn't much of a key for the crank to go on. That's it, that's all that's driving the crank pulley, that little bit of key there. Not much, is it? But it goes on nice, so that's okay. Can't do much more to that at the moment. We've worked ourselves up until that bearing turns up. But all that donkey works out, so we're going to cover this in plastic again and we'll leave it for now.